guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a inspired Chanel wall decor. To get started with this DIY, all you will need is a picture frame and a printed Chanel wall art. To get started with this DIY, you will need is a picture frame. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to turn over the picture frame, place the printed art on the glass piece. Next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing the sheet of paper that came with the picture frame, just so that the picture is more secured. Next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be placing the cardboard that basically came with the picture frame as well, and I'm just going to place it on the top, also just so it's more secure. Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. For any more further DIY ideas, do comment down below and let me know, and I will for sure do those as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later, guys.